everybody, I'm Yvonne from Step by Step Farming. I want to give you a tip of the week, more survival related. The tip of the week is do not throw away the lint from your dryer. Keep it and store it away in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to explain why. This is a perfect fire starter. You want to take this and kind of twist it around a little bit. Lint burns super quick and really fast. And so if you have no way to start a fire, or if you're outdoors somewhere, you want to be able to have this on hand. It doesn't weigh anything. You could pack a lot into a Ziploc bag, but this could possibly save your life one day. So let me show you. So this right here is a really, and this is why I've got tongs, because you can see that it burns really fast. Okay, this is what you want to have on hand. Something that we don't think about. We just, we throw it away. We don't give it any other thought. So hold on to the lint. My suggestion would be to store them in a Ziploc bag. Get yourself a couple of lighters or even some matches, and that way they can stay waterproof. All right, I hope that this was helpful, you guys. I'll see you later. Thanks.